Hello everybody, the last video on my channel in English on 2/23. So in a couple of hours we have the new year, new energy, and in this video I want to explain how, if it after 6,399 kilometers, and what I made, or what 4 parts I was changing to have it on this style. We call it bobber style, but more now in this video. Okay. Habe ich. Okay, the first question is, still I'm happy with my bike, and I can tell you directly yes. So now you can switch off now. Was a joke. Yeah, I'm happy. I'm still really happy with the bike now. 6,500 nearly kilometers, and I still enjoying the bike. Really, it's really a cool bike. I like it. I love it, and the position. For the people thinking this position is really uncomfortable, I can tell you that's not uncomfortable. That's okay. Okay, the most like it like this. Oops. But if I have to drive in this position 200 kilometers, for me is this not really comfortable. But if you're driving a Harley, you have to put the legs in the front. I like it more this. I'm happy. Engine is really cool. The sound of the engine is really cool. To drive it, it's good. Okay, it's not a competition bike. It's normal. And when you turn it really to the side, you're touching every time here the exhaust. But I know it. Okay, I know the position until here, and then you hear it. Doesn't matter. That's the life. This is not a bike to drive really fast, but you can go really fast. I was testing it, how fast is it, and I made 180 a moment. So, but the rest, all it's working good. All is working good. Not leaking in any place. In some forum in internet I have reading the leaking here a little bit of oil in the back gear. For me now nearly 6,500 and there are nothing. Then the other thing what I have seen is there have rust here or some rust in the screws. Nothing. Okay, I'm living in Tenerife. Here we have not so many rain, and the day when it's raining I don't use my bike. But the rest is good. This is not rust. All working perfectly. All is good. So what can I tell you? If you want to buy one, you will enjoy it. This is what I can give you on the way. And now I show you what I changed to a normal version. What has changed on my bike, okay? Okay, yeah, the first thing is when I ordered all of this parts what is normal in the chrome version. I ordered directly in black. So it's I don't like chrome. It's not my style. Some parts okay, but not too much. I prefer black matte than chrome. For this, I ordered this in. When you order it without chrome, this coming without chrome. The hand brakes and clutch coming in black. Okay, this is different, but now later. This coming in black. And yeah, but what I changed on my bike is the parts from this one, the covers, this cover, this cover, this cover, and this cover, and this cover, and this cover. It's original. I changed it all in the same color. Why? It looks nicer when you see it on the side. You don't have this shiny, this different black, this is plastic, or this is plastic, this is aluminium, and this is a chrome. So it's, when you have it all in the same color, it looks more like one part. So this I painted. Then what I changed is that this part normally coming in chrome and this one coming in chrome, I painted in the same color like the frame. And this is a special one from Roland Sons design. You have to order it in original BMW. You can, it's really expensive, around, I don't know, 600 was it? 600 euros, I think around about $600. Too expensive, but all of the custom is, for my opinion, too expensive. But if you like it, you pay it. If you not like it, no, if you like it and you don't pay it, you don't have it. Very easy. But you can buy one in AliExpress. It's much cheaper, but it's not look the same. Looks a little bit different. So the second thing what I changed is the color of the tank. Normal coming, I ordered in black. I painted in red. Why I like it? That's only the tank have another color. Then you see directly the tank jumping out of the moped. So for this, what I like it of the motorcycle. Yeah, the rest what I changed is the packs. The packs are different, and the exhaust, of course, is completely different. Normally this coming in chrome. I ordered the shorter exhaust from Volkswagen. It's original one going until here, and it's now going to here. Is this for me is the most beautiful exhaust in my opinion when you want to like a bobber look. Okay, there are some other customizer where you can order it, but for me the nicest one is this one. Then the next what I changed is the bobber seats. The seat. This is also from Volkswagen. This is a combination. Bobber Kids called it. It's the seat, the hard metal part where you screw it on the frame from the original one, and the back fender is also from Volkswagen. This coming all together. This, and this arms, and in this arms are the backlight and the blinkers. And the brake light is inside on this. So really mini one with homologation. Here in Europe we need all with homologation. I don't know how is it in USA or wherever you're looking this video. So this is other part from Volkswagen. And what I changed also is the holder from the plate is also from Volkswagen. And yeah, the other thing what I changed is on the top here. The brake and the clutch is from the BMW R18. I will show you the moment. Yeah, here this part is from a BMW R19, and the clutch also is from R19. Then what I changed also is the brake lights. This is from Pro Brake, the shorter one in black. And then the mirror is from Rizoma. It's also a different one. And the front blinker, whereas original one was here, it's now here in the corner. You can see it. There is the blinker. It's with EU homologation from Moto Gadget. It looks more than this for me it's very important, the style. It looks really clean. For me, when I have seen the Walzwerk motorcycle, the custom bike, for me was the most beautiful thing what I have seen. So I make it like nearly the same. And what I changed also is the cover from the lamp, normal coming in chrome. The same is the kilometer is also in black. It's all the same color. It's a color from Lexus. All this and this is the same color, like this and this. You see, it's all the same color. And the front fender is the same color, like the back fender, and like this part. Yeah, the next step what I changed is this lamp. It's lower and more inside. You can buy here from Wunderkind a part that you put the original one out and you put this one in, and then the light going more down and more inside. And the same one is the kilometer. You have some parts there. It's a plastic part. With this you put it downer. Then all of the style of the bike going more down and more inside of the body, or from the. This looks a little bit nice. And this one, coming original one, also in chrome. I painted in the same color like this, all the same color. Okay. Then I changed the holder from the handlebar, and the handlebar also is changed. The handlebar is much shorter, not so big, and lower. This is also, I bought this also from Wunderkind. The model is 0439 from the handlebar. The riser is also from Wunderkind. But I was thinking maybe I will change the riser a little bit like this to it's turn around the small one. But I'm not sure if I do it or not. Okay, so the next what I changed, the biggest change and the most expensive, or everything is expensive, but one of the biggest change is I changed the wheels. The original one is 19 in the front and 16 in the back, and now I have 21 in the front and 18 on the back. That looks so much different, the bike, then if you have it with bigger wheels. Maybe on the video you not see the difference, but when you see it in real, you say, wow, it looks much nicer. Okay, then what I think, the brake lines on the front is also changed. This is normal original going here, from this one going here, another one from the other side going out in the middle one, and then going from here to the ABS system. I changed the specs, the brake lights to the front. That is here nothing, only one cable. It looks more cleaner look. The other thing what I changed is the tank cap. Is original from BMW, is from Roland Sons the same, and this part is normally coming also in chrome. I painted in the same color like the rest, and that's all. But nearly all. This is the plate support, is from Walzwerk also, but not least, the last thing what I do is the suspension in the front. It's 6 centimeters lower. You can see it really easy. Here one, normal, this one stay here. And when you like bobber look and not shopper look, bobber look is every time lower. And so I short this one, the fork is short, 6 centimeters lower. And at the back side, the same. It's 2.4 centimeters. Or 24 millimeters lower. You can see it really easy. The this is now in the same line. It's 24 millimeters lower. Yeah, this is all what I changed. And one thing is this plate. This is this is from aluminium. This is not original Walzwerk. I made it, and the aluminium sign I bought it in AliExpress for 25 euro, and a friend made me this one like Walzwerk. I asked Walzwerk if I can buy one, but he told me no, your bike is not a Walzwerk, so you can't get it. But he sell you the parts, but he don't sell you this sign. I don't know why, but in the front, the fender is also from Walzwerk, but I modified it a little bit. Why? The Walzwerk is more straight, and I make it rounder. It looks a little bit here the same. Normally it's going more, and I make it rounder. It looks a little bit. It looks more than like the back. The back fender is also rounded, and then looks then more. Looks nicer, very easy. Yeah, the rest I painted this screws in black. I want to paint the other one also. This is also in black, but I have to paint it. And the other side I didn't paint. I have to do it. Yeah, the rest is original one. The nice one is on the R18 that you can't see nearly any cable or any. It looks old. The bike looks like an old bike. This is, and it's like a engine with two wheels. For this I like this design, and I'm sure in 30 years or 40 that will be one of the famous classic bike that will made BMW. Okay, I hope you like this video. I explained you a little bit what I made on my bike, and give me a comment, maybe a like, and subscribe. Maybe next year will coming more videos, and I wish you the best for 2024, and see you then in the next video. Okay, bye.